Para nalang kinakausap yung asawa niya sa picture. Naku, baka maiyak tayo.
A few inches later.
Nakakayak naman to. Happy naman tong video na ito. Oh my God, that one hits me. Hello mga buds! Welcome back again to my channel, Buds Andy. Well, it's another reaction video for today mga buds, and for today's video, someone tagged me and requested me to do this one, a brave husband singing on his wife's funeral mga buds. How do you heal a broken heart mga buds? A brave husband singing on his wife's funeral. Oh, as I can see, nasa funeral si Kuya, no? And based on his title, yung nasa wake is his wife. And I guess kinakantahan niya, no, mga buds. Probably, this one is going to be an emotional one, no, mga buds. Kaya, trigger warning. Trigger warning. Baka maging emotional tayo, no? Or maiyak tayo dito. Hopefully not. Sana po. Ay, huwag naman po tayong maiyak, no? I guess kaya na-request sa akin ito, no? Nagawa na reaction ito. Sinusubukan talaga nila ako, no? Sinusubukan nila akong paiyakin. Alam nyo naman, mga buds, ang pangit kong umiyak, eh. Kaya ayokong umiyak. But anyway, syempre, na-request natin yan. And bibigyan natin, no? By the way, before we proceed, mga buds, I'd like to extend my condolences. Gusto kong iparating yung condolences natin kay Kuya at sa kanyang pamilya, no? Condolence po sa iyo, Kuya, at sa inyong pamilya. And credit and permission to do this one, no? This reaction video. Na-request po ito sa atin. And I believe this is going to be an inspirational. Nasa kabaong yung asawa niya at kakantahan, no, mga buds. So, umpisahan na natin, mga buds. Without further ado, let's do this. Galing ng boss ni Kuya. Are you the girl I thought I know? Oh, parang niya lang kinakausap, no? Asawa niya sa picture. Kinakantahan niya. Inikilabutan ako. Plus, ang ganda ng boses ni Kuya, no? First line pa lang. Wow. The one who promised me your love. Nakakilabot. So emotional. Kinakausap niya lang yung misis. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like he was never loved this much again? Ang hirap nito, mga buds. Sana huwag tayong maiyak, no? I can hear, mga buds, na seems like he's a professional singer, no? Yung boses niya talagang maganda at may range, at yung quality ng voice niya, wow, buong buo. Let's continue. I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it would never love this much?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
Tonight I hope. Para nalang kinakausap yung asawa niya sa picture. May bumabara sa lamunan ko dito. Alam niyo yun? Para ako sinasakal. Siguro dahil naging emotional ako. Parang sumasara yung air pipe ko dito. Kung tayo nagiging emotional at malungkot. What more, si Kuya pa, no? Yung pain na nararamdaman niya. Losing a loved one, not just a loved one, but a better half, a hati ng puso, yung nawala sa kanya. No? This brings him so much pain and heartaches, mga buds. Losing a loved ones is never easy. Talagang mahirap. And I salute him, no, for being brave. Actually, nasa title, no, a brave husband. He's actually brave, no, doing this for his wife. Guys, naku, baka maiyak tayo. Iniiwasan natin huwag maiyak eh. Pero we have to do this, no? Wala tayong magagawa. I-request ito sa atin. This video is uploaded 3 months ago. So, kailan lang ito, no? This is going viral. Kaya ni-request ito sa atin kasi parang kumakalat na rin ito sa iba't ibang social media platform, no, mga bats. It feels like he was never loved this much again. Oh, no. I just can't let go. I just can't let go. Doon sa lyrics. Grabe yung lyrics naman yun. I just can't let go. Tapos kinakausap niya yung asawa niya. Oh my God, that one hits me. I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart? Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. Narinig niyo yun mga bats, yung lyrics? Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. Kung bukas na siya ililibing, no? Tama yung lyrics na yun. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. To let you go. Tapos nakatingin siya kay ate, no? Dun sa kabaong. Sakit. Ang sakit. Ang hirap. The pain he's going through. The pain in this song as well. Bagay na bagay dito sa kinakantahan. I'll pretend to let you go. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. About letting go, no? Itong kanta na ito. About dealing a broken heart and how to heal a broken heart, no? About letting go. How brave of this husband going through this, no? Going through this kind of situation, this kind of emotions and pain he's feeling, no? I salute him for doing this. You go, you go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like this? You never loved this much again. Oh no, I just can't let go. Nakakayak naman to. Grabe naman tong video na ito. Ba't kaya ito sa akin? I hate this kind of video na napapayak sa akin. Hindi nakaka-cute. Hindi nakakagwapo yung pag-iyak. Sa iba siguro nakakagwapo. Pero sa akin, putres, ang pangit kong umiyak eh. Nakabwisit. Why can't find it, I know how to let you go. You go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like this? You never loved this much. What the hell is happening? Bukod sa emotional na ibinibigay sa mga bawat bigkas niyang salita dito sa kanta na ito, no? Parang yung hangin ay lungkot yung inihahatid, no, sa kwartong ito while hearing him singing this. How do you heal a broken heart? Tonight I hope it could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to. Look at him. Inakausap niya yung asawa niya, no? Kita niyo yan mga bads, no? While singing, he's looking to his wife, no? Kinakausap niya. But no joke mga bads, pakagaling po ng boses ni Kuya, no? I'd like to commend him. At yung mga lyrics mga bads, no? Itong How Do You Heal a Broken Heart ay tugmang-tugma pala, no? Sa mga pag may ganitong namatayan, no? Actually kay Kuya na habang kinakanta ay nakatingin pa sa asawa niya, no, sa kabahong with the lyrics of Tomorrow, I'll pretend to let you go. This video is inspiring. Actually, no, maraming napapaiyak. No, kasi it shows how he loved his wife, no, sa kabila man ng kamatayan ng kanyang beggar half. Kinakantahan pa rin niya. He's communicating through this song. How do you heal a broken heart? Kita niyo naman, no, parang kinakausap niya lang yung misis na sa kabaong, no, while singing her song. At nakatingin pa siya sa either sa picture or sa mismong kabaong, no, kinakausap niya. Nakakayak tong video na ito. Anyway, let's continue. Papatapos na po. Uy, napaiyak na niya tayo. Wala na tayong magagawa doon. Tapos sabay tingin sa taas, no? To let you go. Sa taas. Kayak naman to. Kuya, ba't mo ginawa to? I'm sure hindi lang ako yung naiyak watching this, no? I bet kayo rin, pag napanood niyo po ito, especially watching this alone sa mapayapang gabi, nasa bed kayo, at pinapanood niyo ito, no? Maiyak at maiyak din kayo. Kahit tap ka pa, kahit brave ka pa, ay mapapaiyak ka talaga. No doubt yan. Especially kung nakaka-relate po kayo, no? Kung napagdaanan nyo na rin po yung napagdaanan ni Kuya, losing someone, losing loved ones, especially kung malapit siya sa iyo. Maiiyak ka talaga. Kaya talagang saludo ako kay Kuya, no? At naharap niya yung ganitong sitwasyon. I guess yun yung highlights, no? Bukod dun sa pain, sa naririnig natin, sa pain, sa boses niya, no? I guess yung highlight is yung parang kinakausap niya lang yung asawa niya dito sa kabaong, no? And plus yung pagtingala niya sa taas, no? Especially when it comes to the word of letting go. Pag letting go yung lyrics ay napapatingala siyang ganun, no? Parang he's like preparing himself to let go of her ng mga bads. I bet naririnig siya ng soul ng misis niya, no? At hindi lang siya maakap-akap ng kaluluwa, no? Again, gusto ko pong iparating ni Kuya, no, yung sincerest condolences ko sa kanya, sa pamilya niya, mga bads, no? Condolence po to him and to his family. And saludo po ako sa iyo, Kuya. Salamat for sharing this one. At salamat din sa YouTube channel na ito, no? Kay Basta Pinoy sa Kalam. Ito po yung reference video natin. Ito yung nahanap ko. I don't know kung ito yung original, but ito po yung pinapanood natin ngayon, yung channel na ito. Salamat kay Basta Pinoy sa Kalam. Ay, nakakayak, no? Masaya naman kayo nakita nyo kung naiyak, ano? Anyway, nagustuhan ko naman yung video, no? Umanga ako, no, sa katatagan po ni Kuya. I'm sure na let go na niya yung asawa niya. I hope so, no? Sana ay mag-heal na yung kanyang broken heart, and he actually find a way how to heal a broken heart, no? I guess that's it, mga bads. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, mga bads, para po updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos natin. And if you bads have a request video na gusto nyo gawa natin ng reaction video, just comment down below, mga bads, yung videos na gusto nyo gawa natin ng reaction. At babasahin po natin yan, mga bads. See you guys next video. Bye! Thank you for watching!